Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if an external hard drive is not showing up or being detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. You just view by to category and you need to go to hardware and sound. Click on it. After that you need to go to power option, and in here you need to select the change plan setting. You need to select change advanced power setting. Now in here you need to expand the USB setting and USB sensitive suspend setting, expand it. After that, in this setting you need to disable it guys. Disabled, click apply and OK. After that, go and check the hard drive appears or not. If the hard drive is not appeared, let's fix that another method guys. With that another method, type search menu and type disk management. Management, here comes create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it, open it. Now in here, if you have anything unallocated, if there anything in unallocated, you just want to right click on it and you want to click on new symbol volume. I don't have any space over here, that's why I didn't get that. If you are having any free space, there will be option guys. There will be a space like that, this like, and there will be located as unallocated, and you just want to right click on it, and there is the option guys, new symbol volume. You just want to right click on it and click on new symbol volume, and after that there will be a process for format your drive. For that you need to check whatever drive you have problem is. Go to file explorer. If you have problem with any drives, letters name that. If you, for example, A, if you have disk A, you have problem, you need to just click on their letter, change the select your drive letter to A, and after that we are going to format that guys way. You need to save that their disk to other drives or your USB drives, external drives for it, and after that you need to click on format, quick format. There will be option guys, perform a quick format. After that click up next and OK. After that, hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. One more thing I need to say, that unallocated will be black in this, like here the primary partition will be blue. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Thank you.